Oh baby, baby, why you acting this way? I just remember all our days up the interstate, when we were driving down the 408, and you would smile just like the sun that you emulate. Now you mitigate my love, mitigate my love, oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. When we were younger, we would talk so late.
Guys, look at the condition of my room right now. ये हमेशा होता है, ये पाइल विंटर टाइम में तो हमेशा होता है. ऑल्सो अब एग्जाम टाइम है एंड देन वी आर गोइंग फॉर द विंटर ब्रेक, सो उस टाइम तक वी आई हैव टू डू डील विद दिस मेस. फिर यहाँ पे तो लिनरी वाला यूटेंसिल्स वाले सामान रखे हुए हैं. यहाँ पे मेरा बैग जो मैं लेके जाऊँगी, यहाँ पे ये मेरे को डंप करना है. देन दिस इज़ द होल एरिया जहाँ पे मेरे कपड़े रखे हैं. ये अभी मैं सो के उठी तो गंदा सा हो रखा है, तो इसको आई हैव टू क्लीन. अब ये सही हो जाएगा. ये आरुषि का एरिया, देन अदिति. तो ये एरिया माई हनी बनीज है. यहाँ पे बैग एंड देन वो सब खाद वो सही करना है. देन तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें पड़ी. उधर वॉफल का डब्बा, इधर रोल, इधर चॉकलेट, इधर मेरी पैड्स एंड ऑल, इधर एक्स्ट्रा पाइल ऑफ थिंग्स. ये क्लीन है, ये गंदा वो रखा है. इसको गाइज आई हैव टू टेल यू दिस कि व्हेनेवर आई क्लीन दिस, व्हेनेवर आई डील विद दिस विद प्लेइंग सॉन्ग्स, लाइक I'll play mashups and all, and then I'll clean this, and then I'll have to pack up my bag because we're going for winter break, as I said. So yeah, that's the thing. और अभी it's Saturday and I have 4 or 5 days in my hand to clean this, and also I'll be having my exams on Monday and Tuesday, and today is Saturday. So today and tomorrow I'll prepare for the exam, and then the other day we will celebrate the seniors farewell day, and one day we'll go out, and on the next day we are going home. So guys, what I was talking about, I don't look presentable right now, but it's okay. What I was saying that my semester is about to end, my 3rd semester is about to end, and we are gonna enter 4th semester in the month of Jan 12th or 13th, I guess. And I'm not really very excited for that. I just need a break right now, but I don't want to go home. I really miss my parents and my home, but I want to do something in this break, like do extra workshops and all. But for that there's some issues, so let's see what I'm gonna do. But I have booked my tickets for 20th and 19th. We're traveling to Delhi, and then 18th we are gonna have a good day together, like with my friends and all department wale friend ek sath baithenge, and we are gonna chill together. That's the plan for right now. Also, this semester was very much new to me. Like my friends were not there who were there for me in the first year because the department change issue, and also even if I was in fashion department only, then also my friends would have been separated, like they would have gone to FC, FD and TD. So it's a part already, so we can't, like उससे हम कुछ कर तो नहीं सकते, but it's okay. I also got few good friends in this department also, so that's nice. And if I have to sum up the whole semester, I'd say it was extremely easy, I would say. But like it was just going with the flow. So there were some days which was sleepless. I became sleep deprived, especially that electives part where I had to make a short movie. Like it was a group project, but on each day I was just feeling so tired. And whenever I used to come at like in the hostel room at 7 or 8 after having dinner or anything, I just गिर जाती थी बेड पे, and then एक सेकेंड में I just get nodded off. तो ऐसा सीन हो रखा था उस टाइम पे. एंड देन देयर वाज दिस मॉड्यूल अंकुर सर का, जो स्टार्टिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा चलता, देन अगेन वो थोड़ा सा हेक्टिक हो गया. हमें उसमें 3-4 दिन के फ्री लीव्स मिली थी, बट एज यूजुअल मैं उस लीव में कहीं नहीं गई. मैं रूम में बैठी थी, मैं काम कर रही थी. जो बच्चे घूमे थे वो अगले दिन आके 2 दिन एक्स्ट्रा मिले थे, उसमें वो लोग काम कर रहे थे, जो कि बैलेंस होता है और मैंने वो बैलेंस नहीं करा। मेरे को घूमना था, देन उसके बाद से काम भी करना था, बट मैं सोना प्रेफर करी थी। तो दैट्स द थिंग। ऑल्सो अगर सोशल लाइफ की बात करूँ तो फर्स्ट ईयर के कंपैरिजन में मेरी इस टाइम की सोशल लाइफ बैटरी थोड़ी सी डेड थी आई गेस। सेकेंड ईयर में मैं बहुत कम कैंटीन में बैठी हूँ, बहुत कम नीचे बैठती थी, वॉक के लिए कम जाती थी। फर्स्ट ईयर में आई यूज्ड टू गो डेली फॉर द वॉक्स इन द नाइट एट नाइट, and also in the lunch time I used to sit there for like half an hour daily in the mess time only, on the lunch time only. तो वैसा सा सीन था। अभी सेकेंड ईयर में आके 1 बजे लंच होता है, 1 बजे मैं निकलती थी क्लास से और मे बी 12:45 पर डायरेक्टली मेस के बाहर बैठ जाती थी। फर्स्ट ईयर के कंपैरिजन में मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में 12:45 या 30 में निकलती, तो पहले कैंटीन जाती थी देन मेस जाती थी, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी दोस्तों से मिलना है और बहुत फन था। उस टाइम मेरे साथ महक थी। महक इज़ अ क्यूटी फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है। और अभी वो फैशन में है, अभी मेरा डिपार्टमेंट चेंज हो गया, तो उसके साथ में बैठ जाती थी कैंटीन में, तो मज़े आते थे। फिर अभी ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर, मैंने वॉलीबॉल खेला है, बट मेरा प्लान था कि मैं अगले साल कर्ल के लिए प्रिपेयर करूँ, मैं सीखूँ, बट देयर इज़ नो कोच फॉर वॉलीबॉल, बास्केटबॉल के हैं, सो लेट्स सी। और इस साल मैंने फाइनली एक अच्छा स्टेप लिया, मैंने जिम स्टार्ट कर दिया। आई प्रॉमिस माई सेल्फ दैट आई विल कीप डूइंग दैट इन द 4th semester. I'll start doing it like again start doing it in January once I come back from the home. So that's the plan. Also, I have made my resolutions and I'll try to follow all the rules and I made. And yeah, this year was quite, especially the month of August, I got a new friend, I made a new friend, and I got some new friends, I'd say, not only one friend. And there was this special friend that I have right now, not in that terms, but I have those like very few special friends that I made this year, so I'm grateful for them. And there's this teacher Ankur sir who is very nice, so I got in good faculty too, and I lost some friendships too. November midweek was not very good for me, didn't went very good for me, didn't go very good, and the November midweek was not very good for me. I guess it was quite like rone wala period, and that's okay. Everyone has that some low time in their life and the low time in their college life, so it's okay. And the 4th year, not in the 4th year, I'm saying in the 3rd year I'll probably or most probably or definitely go to live outside the hostel, because hostel is a mess, guys, is a mess. You can't really live into hostel for 4 years straight. It's just a mess. It's so hectic, it's so boring, it's so overruled thing na. Like, even if I have to go get a pencil, I have to make a pass, and I'll ask my brother to send an email, then he'll sign, and there's a specific period in which the mail will be seen and will be like the warden will sign it. So it's so much. So I will definitely try not to live in the hostel in the 3rd year. So ऐसा सा plan है. I'm not going at home. I don't know why, but that's the thing. So yeah. Thing I would say is that be a social butterfly in the college. Don't be an introvert. You're not going to learn anything, because being with the people, you learn so much from them. You learn about life. That's the most important thing. And also do attend a lot of workshops, a lot of clubs in your first or second year, because in 3rd year you're gonna probably be busy. So utilize 2nd and 1st year for the clubs and the activities that you always wanted to take part from part 2. So yeah, and join any sports, guys. It will probably help you. Do any physical activity for a day, like for each day, and that is definitely gonna change your life. I I'm saying that, please. I only hit the gym for like a week, and that 1 week my mental state and my physical state was at the best. I am not regretting anything that I gave 2 hours or something every day for it, and that is something that I am really grateful that I did. So keep doing that if you are doing it, and also if you haven't done it, then please start doing it. It will definitely gonna help you for your life. So yeah, that's the second point. And the third point, I would say कि if you don't have college for a day, like if you are gonna getting leaves for like 2 or 3 days, क्योंकि बहुत सारा टाइम आएगा जिसमें तुम्हें कॉलेज में टीचर्स ने बोल देंगे कि आज बंक कर लो अनऑफिशियली एंड आज क्लासेस नहीं है. उस इंस्टेड ऑफ बेड में पड़े हुए या रूम पे पड़े हुए, go out in the college, get ready, go out to the college and study in the library, utilize the resources that you get from the library, and just be there till the college time, end time hits you. Then it's probably 5.
Despite the commitment you think you've secured, and despite the attention you feed her, nothing she promises is guaranteed, and she may not be there when you need her. So don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'd be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control, and she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your #1 fan.